Why do we drive fast? Is it because of the thrill? Or is it because of the feeling that we get from going full throttle? We do it because it's our escape from reality. For that split second, we are truly free, completely disconnected and yet fully connected, in tune with our machines. It's for those few waking moments when we push ourselves as drivers that we feel like we can finally breathe. Reality becomes dreams, and dreams become reality, as though we've been gasping for air all this time. So why do we drive fast? Well, it's for those few seconds where speed washes away the pain, where everything fades.
When it's morning and my soul is clear, I look in the mirror and I see that love rolling over. You call me back to bed, I find myself again staring.
People drink, use drugs to get away from their problems. We ride bikes. It may not be obvious to most people, but you take a risk every day you get on that bike. But yet through all the problems, where you find yourself at on that bike. And when you ride, all those problems that you had, the anger, hate, pain that you got inside you, it all goes away for a little bit.
I rise a child again, wake up a wild wind takes me there. Slow fall into the Indian Sea, where the cold and the hot meet, and the powers that be. I rise a child again, I wake up a wild wind takes me there.